It's time to explore the Serenity 2019 Diaries. Hi everyone, this is Rocky and welcome to the unboxing and review of the Serenity 2019 Diary. This Serenity 2019 Diary has two designs. We have the white one and of course we have the light green. Both of them contains the 10-year logo of Serenity. Since Serenity is currently celebrating the 10th-year anniversary, just like me, my blog, Bits of Rocks, is already on its 10th year. What do you think are the major difference of these two Serenity Diaries? Basically, both of them have the same content. The only difference is their cover. This light green, you can see, the label is embedded, and of course, the cover is softer. While this white one, the leather, all the label is printed, and it is harder. Same content, but different design. The white one, which is printed, and the light green, which is embedded. Should I say to unbox or unplastic? Because this diaries is covered by a plastic rather than a box. So instead of saying unboxing, better say plastic. Now, let's remove the plastic from this diary. Green one started with a have a moment of serenity. Browsing the cover, start with this diary belongs to wherein you will put all your important details here. Next pages, Serenitea Story, and of course, sharing the flavor of joy. Inspiring stories from Serenity. Then of course, we have the Tea Dictionary. It contains the words which is used by Serenity, just like Earth Grey Black Tea, which is bergamot and black tea come together to create one of the world's most well blends. We also have the Assam Black Tea, Osmanthus, and Jasmine Green. These are the words that Serenity owns. Next page, Savor and Relief, Serenity. And we have this one. We have the list like places to visit. We have financial targets, work milestone, personal triumphs, other wishes I want to happen, which you will release for 2019. And of course, we had the donated log sheet, like in my commitment log. I commit to, I want to do because, and anything that you want to commit for 2019. Moving to the next pages, we have my workout tracker to keep you fit. And of course, we have the Fana players, food spot, and all the restaurant that you want to try. Then of course, we have the favorite of everybody, the coupon. We have the coupon. Each coupon is entitled. Each one of us is entitled for a discount, just like 5% discount for this drink. We have 5% discount on indulge drink, so on and so forth. Just like the other planners of the different coffee shops, Serenity Planner also offers coupons like this. Now, let's have a tour to have a moment of serenity wherein you could list down all the best day ever. And of course, put in this list the recipe that you want to create your great moment with your friends, family, and loved ones. And of course, if you are a selfie or a picture addict like me, you could post your best shot, your best selfie here with capture and share page. And of course, let's take a sip. Spill, sip, repeat. All the things that you want with your Milktea, with your great moment. And moving forward to other pages, we have the spill the tea. What are your emojis, emoticons, tales? And we have this one. Different month, different emotions, emoticons, where you can put here depending on your emotions for that month. We have also the gratitude cup. Gratitude. What are those things like raspberry for finances, tapioca for well-being, chia seeds, pudding, coffee tea, depending on the cup of gratitude that you want to include on your favorite Serenity beverage. And now we have that teaming with possibilities. Yes, no, let's play a game. It's like a snake and ladder, wherein you will pass into a maze with different flavors of your favorite tea. And of course, favorite? We have the planner, which starts with January. Have a fresh start since it's a new year. What makes this diary different from the other planner is that each day is provided with a bigger space wherein you could not only list down all your moments or the best thing, embarrassing things per day, you could also insert or post a picture of your best moment. So we have 30 spaces corresponding to the 30 days of each month. And when we have to February, also the topic is celebrate sweet times. Just like January, we have spaces here where you could include all your pictures, moments together, or the things that made your month special. Then March is silver success. So put all the things, every success in your life. Actually, March is my birth month. And no successful month because aside from being my birthday, it's also the birthday of my birth first vlog, which is Bits of Rock. Same thing, we have diary for each month. And when we go to April, we have Wonder the Word. Because as you know, April is an Earth Day. That day, the month for the earth and environment. That's why the bigger topic is Wonder the Word. Each diary is the same for each month. What is different is that each month has a certain topic. Like for May, we have Give Your All. Where to give? Best friend, your colleague, sibling, significant other. Then the month of June, we have Find in Nature, wherein you could post your best photo with your environment, nature, travel, trip. So put it here in June. Going now to July, we have Adapt, a great for heart. So this is our home, and what I have, and who can I share with it. So it's a great for art. A great for your art for the month of July. Going to August, we have Celebrate Friendship. So what do you have? It's just like a commitment, a certification with your friends. Now, going to the Vermont, starting with September, we have Crack the Perfect Day. The moment of satisfaction. With all these best things, the best times of your life for that perfect day. That for September. Going now to the month of October, we have priceless moments with your family. So, what are your activities with your family members? Just like activity with your dad, with your mom, with your sister, brother, activity with son, daughter, activity with grandparents, all those things you gotta list it down here. So that's for October. Going to November. Finding motivation. What motivates you? You could post your best picture here. Telling a story. What motivates you? Then going to December, the happiest month of the year, the month of celebration. We have the thankful moment of Thanksgiving, since we all know the month of December or the last week of January is for the Thanksgiving before the Christmas or the Yuletide. What to be thankful? Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Season's greetings. All of these are the celebrations that we have for the month of December. After your December diary, you could put all your activities. It follows a blank pages. Blank pages wherein you could put all the things that you want to include. You could also paste your photos, best selfie, best moments with your loved ones, everything that you want to write or post or paste here. And on the last pages, it contains the Serenity directory, which includes all the address, all the branches, contact details of the Serenity stores, where you could buy your favorite Serenity beverages. And on the last part, we have the calendar for 2019 and 2020. The usual calendar in the planner is found. Second to the last page of this diary. And of course, ending the diary, on the last page we have Serenity Diary, where Serenity is started here. So just like an acknowledgement page of this beautiful diary. Have a moment of serenity. That's it for this diary. Now, the question goes, how to avail the Serenity Diaries? Yes, you could avail one in two ways. First, you could buy this for a amount of 599 pesos. But of course, if you want to avail this for free, worth of 1,200 in a single receipt entitles you to a free Serenity Diary. So, it's your choice to buy one with the amount of 599 pesos or to get a free one with a single receipt of 1,200. Actually, this is my first time to avail or to have these Serenity Diaries. And I'm so lucky that I get these two Serenity Diaries. Serenity, give me these two as a complimentary gift. So thank you, Serenity. This Serenity Diaries complete or concludes my 2019 planner, review, and unboxing. I have the coffee shop planners, a drugstore planner, and now my very first Milktea planner. Because you know, I'm a milk tea lover. Thank you and have a wonderful year ahead. Let's plan 2019. Happy New Year! Thank you for watching our unboxing and review of the Serenity 2019 Diary. For more exclusive one-on-one celebrity videos, unboxing and review of different planners, and exclusive coverage of different events, feel free to subscribe and visit my YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/RunnerRocky. See you there!